So this is El Cortez Hotel in downtown Las Vegas. So let's go and explore.
Wait, you told me that.
All right. So they have a lot of big slots in here. So they have the Fiesta room. A lot of slots. And this is the bar right here. So this is their history of hallway. Yeah. All right. All right. Going this way. All right. So a lot of slots in here. I think that's the exit. Let's go the same way so you would see. And there are pictures on this side. They are more pictures. So these are hotel and garage elevators. So there's another bar in here. And they have table games in the middle. Oh, this is their high limit slots. Oh, Cortez. And then this is their cashier's cage. Cashier's cage.
Here's your drinking side.
And then there's a lot more slots here, much newer slots. Then looks like this is the parlor bar. There's a bar here. So happy hour. Happy hour. And that's the parlor bar right there. Then looks like this is a restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Seagulls. Seagulls Restaurant. So if I could show you how it looks. All right.
I told you don't watch him till you get
So
off.
the name of the restaurant is Seagulls 1941 right there. And then so we have the hotel registration. So they have the restrooms here. Then they have the gift shops. Gift shops. Oh, and this is the exit right here. And we have the tower elevators right here for the rooms. So now would be the hotel registration area. And we have a bar right here. So this is the El Cortez Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. And then there are slots and the exit is by that way. And then this might be their rewards area right here. Oh, and this is their race and sports book right here.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There's a platform.
No. They have table games here. And these are Craft table. All right. Some more table games. So that is El Cortez Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. Like this video, give it a thumbs up. Watch the video next and thank you for watching.